So, see, what's up, GB? You can see the top there. You can put your name if you like. You can put whatever you like there. You can type whatever it is. You've got a night mode and a day mode. And also, you can. This little Wi Fi option here is putting your WhatsApp on airplane mode. So you can have your data on and whatever, but you can just block WhatsApp from getting network. So it will be like you're offline when your data is on and whatever, but just WhatsApp will be offline by itself. You put like the app on airplane mode, nighttime, daytime. What else? What else? You can schedule a message. So if you want to send a message and your schedule forget, you can plan to send a message. You type the contact, you put whatever contact, you type the date when you want the message sent, you type the time when you want it sent, you type the text, and that's it. Forget about it. It's gonna send it whenever you set it to send. You have got message a number, so you don't have to have someone in your contact list for you to message them. So you can just copy the number, then you paste it here, whatever number it is, then you click message, then you can easily message a number without having it saved in your contact list. And also, what else can you do? Okay, GB settings. What's in here? Oh yeah, so privacy settings, you can freeze your last scene. So whenever you want it to be, let's say today, you can freeze your last scene. So whenever anyone checks your profile, it will show you the last scene of when you froze it, even though you're online. So you've got options to when someone messages you, you can hide blue ticks, you can hide the second tick, you can hide all these two more options here. So let's say if you put it on like this, hide blue ticks, when you send someone a message, even though if you send me a message and I have this on, I will read that message, but it won't show you the blue ticks on your side. It will just show you that the message was delivered, but I haven't read it. Meanwhile, I have read it, and it will only show you the blue ticks after I reply. If you click on hide second tick here, you can, when someone messages you, it will always show them just one tick like you're offline. Even though you've opened the message and whatever, the other side, it will just show them one tick like you're offline. It's only after you reply when it will show whatever. So that's the same for like these other options down here, hide whatever, pretty much does the same thing but for different options. You can do that same setting for in groups, whatever groups you're in, you can choose that. You can control who can call me. You can choose only contacts that are allowed to call you through WhatsApp. You can select everyone, whatever it is. There's options for that. Anti-delete message. This is the dreaded feature that people don't like. So when you have this on, even if when someone sends you a message, even if they delete it, you can still see it, even if they've deleted it, no matter what. Disable forwarded, so you can resend messages and it won't show that little tag that you forwarded it from somewhere else. This is the option for it when you show blue ticks after you reply to a message. This is hide view status, so you can watch people's statuses, but it won't show you on that list of people who've seen that status. And then you've got anti-delete status. This is the one that got me caught actually. So yeah, even if someone deletes a status, it still stays there. You can set your fingerprint, pattern, pin, whatever, if you want to lock it, whatever it is. Those are options for recovery and whatnot. What else? Sorry, this is gonna be quite a long video, but I really hope it explains why WhatsApp GB is pretty cool. It's not just about all that stalker shit that people talk about. So you've got options for making stickers and whatever. I'm not getting into that. What else? Themes, yeah. So you can download pre-made themes. Like other people have already made the theme. So if you just like whatever theme they made, you can choose whichever it is you install. There's set preferences. Okay, yeah. So you can choose themes, whatever. Those are other options for the themes. And if you come into Universal here, so now this is where you create your own theme. If you don't want to download like a whatever theme, this takes a lot of time. Just download the theme and fucking leave it. So yeah, there's all these options for change color. You can change the color of of top of the chart of the top of the chat. What else? Fuck. Yeah, the colors of the text and whatever. There's a lot of shit that you can change in there. You can choose emoji packs. There's the old WhatsApp, iOS, Facebook, whatever. You can choose font style. You can change the font style for just the app itself. Launcher icons. This is one of the really cool ones. So you can choose that Kalito logo on your home screen. You can change how it looks for WhatsApp. So you've got all these options here. You can just scroll through and pick whichever little icon you like. It just looks kind of cool because it's just like, it's different. What else? Notification icon. You can also change for when you have that notification on your top bar there. You can change the icon of how it looks. You can choose different colors and whatever. So it's going to be that color when it's just in your notifications on the top there. Hide media from gallery. You can select, yeah, you know what you can use this shit for. You can hide whatever things you don't want the public to see from your gallery. So they won't go into the WhatsApp folders in your phone's gallery. They'll just be hidden. So yeah, backup and restore. Yeah, you can figure what that does. Great. So what is this? Yeah, so there's a whole lot of other options as well in here. So you can, like this, increase the forward limited, the limit that the excuse me, the limit that the app gives you of how many times you can forward a message. You can enable always online, so even if you're offline, you're on airplane mode, your WhatsApp will still show people that you're online, whatever. I don't know why you would want to do that, but you can choose the resolution of photos when you're sharing photos. Maybe if someone sends you, like, you take a high quality photo, the photo doesn't get dulled by sending it through WhatsApp. It doesn't lose like that quality, so you can increase the limit of how big the pictures are when you send it, because WhatsApp kind of shrinks them so that it doesn't use so much of your data. So you can change that. Yeah, so these are more settings for kind of the theme of the app. You can choose set name. That's how I have my name up there. Blah blah blah. There's quite a lot of settings. It's pretty cool. If you have time, you just start going through all of them. Just try and error and see what they do. There's a lot of things you can change. Literally anything. You can change the color, text. What else? Floating bar. Nope, that's annoying status. So yeah, you see these. You can see. What's this? Yeah, can change the layout or sort of your status thing. If you see, like on mine, if I go back, will it come back here? Yeah, so like on mine, I set the setting to like the Instagram style statuses, so they come like on top here in this area here. It's pretty cool, looks nice. So you can rearrange all these things, how it looks, where your statuses are, the bottom here, these little things. You can change the colors, you can rearrange where you want, like chat groups, where all those buttons are located. Yeah, there's a lot to the app than just what people use it for. So yeah, you can change conversation entry style. These are fonts and whatnot. What is that little feature? There's a little cool feature that I like. Where is it? Entry style, more options. Where is it? Setting. There's a whole lot of settings in this thing, man. Like, it'll take you time to go through all of them. You even forget where some are. Oh, this is a little cool option as well. So what this does is that it sets the profile picture of the person you're talking to as the background of the chat. So that's a feature. That's a little cool thing. So whenever they change the picture, the profile picture, that will always be the background of your chat with that person. Oh yeah, bubble and text. So you can choose what text style you like. So when you send a message, there's those, that one tick means it's been sent but not delivered. Two ticks means it's delivered. The blue one means whatever. So you can change different types. So you have these little animations, like you can see there's that one there of Batman. So it's going to be on the left and whatever it moves. There's this old style BBM type. There's just all these little designs that you can choose from. Yeah, I like this little one. It's cool. The traffic light. So it's gonna be red when it just sends, then two ticks is gonna be orange, and when someone reads, it's gonna be green. So little cool. And there you have the like when you send some, it changes to thumbs up and thumbs down and whatever. You've got the minions. You've got all these little. You've got Pac-Man. You've got all these little different styles for like what that called little thing that shows you whether the message is delivered or whatever it is. A little cool thing as well. You can change the bubble style of where the texts are, so you can like where in that little thing where the words of your text or whatever, you can change all that styles and whatever it is. You can change the bubble color, the color of the chat and whatever and whatnot. It's quite a lot in here that you can change. So yeah, that's just some of the stuff why it's a pretty cool app. It's not just about stalking people. It's just a little fun thing if you like your WhatsApp to be kind of unique